Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel RYK Tech. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max HD wallpapers on your any device. So simply let's get started this video. So first of all, open the Play Store app on your Android device. So here's Play Store. So search here, search wallpaper for iPhone 14. So it's the best app for iPhone wallpapers. So here is the first app, then tap on install. So the app is installed on my Android device. Go back. So simply open this app. So it's the best wallpaper app, HD wallpapers on this application. Uploaded as daily. So here you can see guys, all iPhone 14 and iOS 16 wallpapers available on this application. So simply tap here and tap on set, tap on both. So the wallpaper is successfully installed on my device automatically. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.